Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm actually in Ara Damansara, Petaling Jaya. I'm here to try Thai chicken rice. Okay, yeah, this new shop, not exactly new, I'm not sure. I think it's less than a year, just opened. They are famous for their Bangkok street style chicken rice. Okay, so let's go. So this is a one-way street in Ara Damansara. So we're going to here. Thai style chicken rice, Khao Man Gai. Hopefully I pronounce it correctly. So this is the line. I'm here at about 1 p.m. Look at the line. A lot of people at 1 p.m. This is their operation hours. You can see it's only 10 to 3 and lunchtime food. So you order here. Once you order here, you take a seat. You take away, you can also sit somewhere around here. There is some delivery. Yeah, time. They asked me, it's just like day ice lah. Okay, so this is what I got. This is the mixed chicken rice set. So you can see there's two types of chicken here. One is the fried one, the other one is the steamed one. Of course, it's served with soup, and I think it's radish soup. And this is the sunny egg salad together with the chili. So chili here. This Thai chicken rice, I got these two types of chili. Three actually. I think this one should be this. I'm not sure, but there's three types of chili. One is the green one. This one looks more. It's also green. This is red. I'm not sure how it tastes like. But this one is. I had a bit of sweet. Very very sweet. If you are not a fan of sweet stuff, just stick to the plain water or coffee. Start with the chicken rice. Okay. Oh, okay. The chicken rice is tasty. Fragrance is not there, but the oil, the chicken rice is cooked very well. Now I'm trying the steamed chicken. A bit of chili. Soury. This chili here is a bit soury. Now I'm trying the green color chili. There's three types of chili just now, I show you. The last one, right? This one tastes a little bit more like a sauce, good chili sauce. This one is watery. This one is a bit sour, but it's not spicy. It's not really spicy. I've had more chicken and sambal more spicy than this. This one, I don't say that. The color really look green, but okay, not spicy. All the chili actually is not spicy. More soury than spicy. So it's highly suitable if you are not a fan of really strong chili. So it's served with radish soup. Very strong taste. This is their fried chicken. I think quite standard lah. Let me just try it. Standard. Sunny egg salad. This is my first time seeing this dish. Let's try. I'm wondering where is the egg? The egg is actually underneath, so you have to stir it up. Wow. So there's fried egg underneath. You can see, right? I'm actually taking it a bit by bit. Let me just show you. You're supposed to actually mix it up. Take it out. That's how it looks like. And it's also sour. The food here mostly is sour actually. Oh, this is good. So today on my visit, like, I actually chose the sour combination. No wonder they have the taro and also the sticky rice sweetness. And the milk tea, I think, is sweet also to balance out the taste. So that's it for the review of Khao Man Gai. Hope I pronounced it correctly. If I did pronounce it wrongly, sorry. I'll leave the description, the address and everything down below. So you go and check it out, this place. Remember, they are only open from 10 AM to 3, closed on Tuesdays. And if you are late, especially during lunch time, you're very full. A lot of residential areas and also a lot of places around this area. Okay? So this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video.